Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I just love coloring, and having the right tools really makes all the difference. These Spectrum Noir TriBlend alcohol markers are so fun and easy to use, and I feel like they make me a better colorist because they blend so nicely. And each pen has three different shades, which takes the guesswork out of which colors to put together so that you can get really beautiful, natural looking shading that just takes coloring to the next level. And I appreciate the range of colors. They have a nice fine nib, so you can get really accurate results. And each shade is labeled on the marker, so it has a light, medium, and dark shade. I just am loving the beautiful results I get from these Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend alcohol markers. They really make coloring so enjoyable, and I don't have to think too much, but I get excellent, beautiful results. And that's my point of view.